Jatend jolweny manyien General Francis Ogolla ochamo muma madonja pis ayanga kawuono. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto noidho Ogolla engas mano matend lweny nyoro bang' kane duol mochung' ne chenro mag jolweny chwalo nyinge ne lemono. Ogolla nochamo muma e kar jot mar jatend piny ma Nairobi okinyi ma kawuono kaachiel kod jalupne Lieutenant General John Mwangi. E nyasino jatend piny William Ruto opoyo tij jatend lweny madhi rutaya Robert Kibochi kokwayo jotelo manyien mondo oket maino e bero bad migawo mar lweny ma pacho ka.
And dignity of the people of Kenya, that I will diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya
and as you take up your other responsibilities in retirement. In considering your appointment, I assessed your background, where you've come from, what you have done, your journey in the military, and I am satisfied that you merit the office. You have my confidence. You have the confidence of the government of Kenya to discharge your responsibilities in your new office. It is my expectation that the professional standard of the Kenyan military will be observed under your leadership. Kenya has a tradition of a military that is professional, that is outstanding, that has integrity, and that serves not just the people of Kenya, but our region